Miss Joanne from the Berkeley Library, and today we are going to make garlic bread pizza. So ingredients are very simple and we don't even need to measure anything for this. You get some Texas toast in the freezer section, some cheese, sauce, and whatever toppings you want. I picked up turkey pepperoni. So let's get started. I have a cookie sheet that I lined with aluminum foil. I have preheated my oven. That's an important step that I forget a lot. But the package says to preheat to 375, so read your package to see what temperature your Texas toast should be cooked at. Now the sauce. I'm just using regular marinara sauce. If you want to use pizza sauce, you can. Whatever sauce you like. And now for the cheese. Now the best part about this recipe is you can make it however you want. If you like a lot of cheese, put on a lot of cheese. If you want to use a different type besides mozzarella, I'm not going to stop you. Do what makes you happy. Whatever toppings, and everybody can make their own. So everybody has their own pizza fit to their tastes. So I'm using turkey pepperoni. I like that better for when I'm making pizza because it doesn't have as much grease in it. I think I'll do about half of them with the pepperoni, and we'll leave half plain. Okay, that was it. See how fast that was? Now we just stick it in the oven and let's see, for 5 minutes. All right, we'll check on it in 5 more minutes. Okay, they smell so good. I wish you were here to smell this. It's time to take them out of the oven. And now the hard part is letting it cool off for a few minutes before we chow down. All right, time to enjoy our pizza. I hope you get to try this at home, and if you do, please take a picture and send it to our Facebook or Instagram accounts.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.